Welcome to Theo's Speed Shop. I'm John T. Francis. I'm the proprietor of this establishment. My buddy Nick Carcione handles quality assurance here at the shop.
He comes up with the ideas and I help make it happen. Hey guys, Nick here, and I just wanted to show you another project we got going on here at Theo's. This is a 1969 AMC Ambassador. These were produced from 1957 all the way up to 74. This is the 7th and final generation of that model.
But the 1969 Ambassador is no ordinary car.
Wow.
Oh boy.
This was a flagship car for AMC. This was top of the line, had all the bells and whistles.
The Ambassador offers rich velour seats, air conditioning as standard equipment, and a longer wheelbase for that posh limousine ride.
Come look at this. Come look real quick. Come look how solid this car is. When we're working on stuff, we hate to see stuff that's rusted, holes everywhere. Rockers solid the whole way through, no rust. Doors, no rust inside and out. Door jams.
You know, Nick, as I look in here, you look at these floorboards, you just don't see these classic cars this solid. I mean, these are cars that gave Americans a job. You look at the steel stamping, the dust.
Usually by the time we get them 60 years later, your feet are going through holes in the floor. Customer wanted little updated features. This was originally a 390 big block. The motor was pulled out. We have a 3rd gen 392 HEMI going in right now. We just got the motor set where it's gonna go. We need to weld up a few things and get it positioned permanently. We gotta get the rear mount for the transmission. Once that's finished up, we're gonna go through new brake lines, new fuel lines, new suspension. This is going to be and drive like a new car, turnkey, ready to go.
You know, when you talk about building a car or reconstructing Restomod like this, it's a lot of fabrication. But part of that fabrication, you can't do it without the parts. It takes a lot of time to order the parts and the right parts. Several times we bought different things. Here's a crazy one. With the motor, it's a Chrysler motor, but it uses metric bolts. We don't use metric bolts at Theo's Speed Shop. This is like the metric bolt bin we use here. But fuel pump, throttle body, gauges, when it's time to put this stuff together, you need it. So in conjunction with the building, you gotta be ordering the parts. When we started this build, we ordered the wiring harness. It's gonna take 30 or 60 days to have that done. That's getting built right now. We got all new fluids for it. One of the cool pieces is when we initially put the motor down in there, we thought clearances were good. That wasn't the case. Holly makes a cool item. Nick, why don't you tell them about this Holly unit we have?
Yeah, I gotta thank Holly. This is the HEMI Gen 3 front cover accessory mounts for the newer HEMI. This allows us to move the alternator, power steering pump, AC pump, all higher and gives us the clearance we need. Without it, we'd be kind of stuck. We'd be hitting here. We'd be hitting here. That allows us to move everything higher and give us the clearance we need.
There's just a lot going on, and we get to it when we can, and we're gonna get her built. Hey, this is John. I just want to say thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, like, comment. If you got anything you want to see, let us know. We plan on keeping updates on what we're building. We tend to move pretty quick and get things done. In addition, we'll go through the museum downstairs and we'll show everybody what we got going, and we'll keep you posted.
Stick with us. We always have something cool going on.